Hi guys, in this video, I will show you how to add a song after posting on Instagram. So let's get started. First, open Instagram application. Next, on the bottom right, click on your profile icon. Next, go ahead and tap on the post that you want to add a song. Next, head over to the top right corner and click on these three dots. And then from these options, click on edit. Now on the top of your post, you can see these options: add location, add audio, add AI label. So just tap on add audio. Now go ahead and look for the song that you want to add. You can also use the search bar to search for a specific song. Can also use the trending tab to use trending songs. Select anyone and then on the bottom tap on the arrow button to go to next. Cut the specific audio part that you want to add and then tap OK. All right. As you can see here, it's now been added. Next, tap on OK on the top right here. The post now has a song. And that's it. How to add a song after posting on Instagram. If this video helps you, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment on the video.